have an update on the news out of California, where Governor Gavin Newsom has now declared a state of emergency as a fast-moving series of fires have spread over more than 2,900 acres in Los Angeles. That is twice the number of acres we reported earlier this hour, just a shocking and staggering expansion. Again, this fire is being fueled by intense winds that are only expected to get stronger overnight. It's worth remembering that this is a dense urban area. This is Los Angeles, California. This fire has already forced more than 30,000 residents to evacuate, and there are more than 10,000 structures.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Okay, I guess let's park along this street, yeah? And then, Dave, if you can, just
Oh my.
ahead of us and try to set up a signal.
Right here. This is where it's gotta be. This is, oh my God. What? I've never, look at this. Beyond comprehension.
Okay, these LA fires, this is like end of time shit, right? Biblical fires coming down, Jesus will follow. Like, does anybody else think this, or like, is it just me being paranoid? Because I'm pretty sure I remember something about like fires will rain. California is like one of, if not the most sinful state in the country. Is something bigger happening here? What do you think?
When 91-year-old Dale Short returned to his Pasadena home of 60 years, he found only rubble. It was a house we watched burn just hours earlier as the hurricane-force wind gusts made the fire unfightable.
When you came back up here this morning, what went through your mind?
Well, I have to be honest with you, it really hasn't hit me all yet. I mean, I've got 60 years of memories in that house and 3 children.
Yeah.
Now it's hitting me.